Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Well, in this video we are going to talk about some useful English sentences. So friends, without any further ado, let's jump to the first sentence. चलिए देखते हैं अगला कौन होगा. So the English will be, let's see who will be next. Let's see who will be next. तुम अपना आपा क्यों खो रहे हो. So the English will be, why are you losing your temper? Why are you losing your temper? So the next sentence is, मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत सुना है. So the English will be, I have heard a lot about you. I have heard a lot about you. So the next sentence is, क्या तुम मेरी किताबें वापस कर सकते हो जो तुमने मुझसे कल ली थी. So the English will be, can you return my books which you had taken from me yesterday? Can you return my books which you had taken from me yesterday? So the next sentence is, मैं सोचता हूँ मुझे अपने परिवार के लिए समय निकालना चाहिए. So the English will be, I think I should make time for my family. I think I should make time for my family. So the next sentence is, मामला यहाँ ख़त्म होता है. So the English will be, the matter ends here. The matter ends here. So the next sentence is, मैं तुम्हें भारत से बाहर नहीं जाने दूँगा. We are talking about foreign, okay? So the English will be, I won't let you go foreign. I won't let you go foreign. So the next sentence is, मैं एंड मौके पर स्टेशन पर पहुंचा. So the English will be, I reach at the station in the nick of time. वह डरपोक आदमी है, वह आर्मी ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता. He is chicken hearted fellow, he cannot join army. He is chicken hearted fellow, he cannot join army. So the next sentence here we have, that is, बाहर में जाओ. So English will be, go to hell. Go to hell. So the next sentence is, तुमसे मिले काफ़ी समय हो गया. So the English will be, it has been a long time since we met. It has been a long time since we met. So the next sentence is, मेरे हिसाब से सब आ चुके हैं, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So the English will be, I think everyone has come, let us start. I think everyone has come, let us start. So the next sentence is, क्या तुम होश में तो हो. So the English will be, are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? So the next sentence is, उसका नाम मजाक बन चुका है. So the English will be, his name has become standing joke. His name has become standing joke. So this was enough for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel if you didn't know. So meet in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Keep supporting, keep sharing, keep liking my video. Bye.